Welcome pioneers. Mother's Day is a date reserved on the celebrations calendar, with the aim of paying tribute to mothers, and thanking them all the effort they have made and continue making for us. With these original gift ideas for mom, you can please them the latest beauty and care devices, Polaroid cameras or kitchen machines. Show them your love in that day, so they can boast about their children. Blackhead Remover Vacuum Cleaner uses vacuum suction technology without hurting your skin, clean pores safely and effectively, remove blackheads, whiteheads, treat acne. EUASOO remover is made of environmentally friendly, non-toxic and non-irritating material. It is safer and more effective than other facial chemical cleansers. An original gift idea for mom to improve her skin problems. The Polaroid Snap Instant Digital Camera captures all the fun and spontaneity moments. Just a click to print high-quality photos that you can share. No computer connections needed. Another original gift idea for mom to keep your memories.
When you're far from home, you can't stop thinking of your family.
Nick's plate lets me know that he's safe out there.
I love getting instantly uploaded photos of life's big moments.
Knowing how much he wants to be with us is encouraging.
Being 7,000 miles away from home is tough, but it helps to have something to remind you of why you're here.
This is the Dash Deluxe Air Fryer. Air frying lets you make delicious fried food without the guilt of using too much oil and without sacrificing any flavor. Our Air Crisp technology superheats the air, then rapidly circulates it to create crispy fried food in minutes. I personally love how easy it is to use this air fryer. Just adjust the temperature, set the time, and you're ready to go. With an extra large 6-quart basket, this air fryer is big enough to create easy weeknight meals for the whole family. You can do everything from French fries to fish tacos, and you can even roast a whole chicken. Here at Dash, helping you eat better is at the core of everything we do. That's why we work hard to create quality products, healthy recipes, and we have a customer support team based right here in the USA. So start making healthier fried food for the whole family with the Dash Deluxe Air Fryer.
Have you liked that original gift ideas for mom? Share with us in comments, and we wish all mothers a wonderful day.